Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili mac and cheese. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including ground beef, beans, pasta, and various cheeses. We'll start by building a flavorful chili, simmering it to perfection. Then, we'll prepare a rich and creamy macaroni and cheese. Finally, we'll combine these two comforting dishes into one incredible meal, ready to enjoy in about 45 minutes. To begin your chili, brown about 1.5 pounds of ground beef or turkey in a large pot, draining any excess fat. Next, add 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking until fragrant. Stir in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, a 15-ounce can of kidney beans, and your favorite chili seasoning blend. Let this mixture simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. While your chili simmers, prepare the macaroni and cheese. Cook 8 ounces of elbow macaroni until al dente, then drain it well. In a separate saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter, then whisk in 4 tablespoons of flour to create a roux. Slowly pour in 2 cups of milk, stirring constantly until the sauce thickens. Finally, add 2 cups of shredded cheddar and 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese, stirring until smooth and creamy. Now for the best part, combining everything. Gently fold your creamy macaroni and cheese into the simmering chili. Stir until both components are thoroughly mixed, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. Serve your chili mac and cheese immediately, perhaps with a dollop of sour cream, some shredded cheese, or a sprinkle of fresh green onions. This comforting dish is sure to be a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.